to design the septic tank size for this building. So you know this is office building, so for office building we have to calculate the number of people first. You can see here this is septic tank sizing is Excel sheet as per IPC. So minimum capacity of tank size is 750 gallons as per IPC 2009. Okay, so this is the capacity from this IPC table. You can see this is IPC table and additional capacity for other buildings. You can see this is the building name and this is capacity in gallons. So we have to calculate for the office building. So this is for the office building. You can see there is, it's given here the capacity 75 gallons. So we have to calculate here. Simply enter here 75 and enter here number of people. So how to calculate the number of people? Number of people will be calculated as per the space name. So for office space we have to consider 2 people per office or 10 square meter per person. Or as per furniture plan. So you can see this is the planning office. So simply enter here the name, planning, number of people is 2, translator 2, this is the IT office. So IT office you have to consider translator, 2 people. IT office, so for the IT office you have to calculate the area. So for the area you have to type AA and add area. So simply select the area. Okay, so your area is 33 square meter. Okay, so 33 square meter, 33 divided by 10, 3 people, so consider 4. IT office 4 people. Okay, and this is filling. So filling also you have to consider here filling 2. Okay, and this side is telecom room, so it's not required. Telecom room here, pantry is 1, electrical room, transformer room is not no people, so pantry, for the pantry consider 1. This is the technical department of a sales department meeting room. So technical department, sales department, meeting room. Simply check the area and get the number of people. So type AA, add area. You can see here this is the 50 square meter area for this. So 10 people, 5 people for meeting room, or you consider 6. Okay, sales department, so this is the sales department 2, and here is technical department 4. Sales department 2, technical department 4. Security is 1, and here is 2. HR office and security. Security 1, HR office 2, and here is production in charge office, so it's also 2. Production in charge, production in charge 2 people. Secretary and filling, and then technical manager. Secretary, filling, technical manager. Technical manager. Secretary only 1, filling 1, and technical manager is 2. So this is for the ground floor, and for the first floor also accounts, procurement, accounts to procurement, to translator and logistic and marketing. So all are office, so consider only 2. Translator, 2 logistic, 2 marketing, 2 2 people, and then here is the admin manager and secretary advisor. Admin manager, secretary, advisor, then pantry. There is 2 people, 2 pantry 1. Then this is the general manager office, private room, and then conference room. So general manager, private room, and conference room. So general manager, private room, conference room. So 2 and conference room 4. Okay, then waiting area. Waiting area no people, we will consider as a 10% extra for the safety factor. Finance department, finance manager, secretary and commercial manager. So finance department, finance manager, secretaries and commercial manager. So secretaries, commercial manager. 2 to 1, and then here is 2. Okay, so total number of people is, you simply sum these. So this is your total number of people, 64. total ground floor plus first floor. 10% safety factor, so 10% safety factor into 0.1, 6.4, so total is this plus this. So say 70 people, say 70 people. So simply enter here the number of people is 70 and gallon is capacity for one person is 75, so total calculated capacity is 6000 gallons. Total septic tank size is, you can see here, this is required capacity of septic tank size is 600 gallon, so you should consider in convert in cubic meters, so gallon, so simply here it fix in the formula, so simply multiply into 3.78 to convert into the liter and divided by 1000 to convert into the cubic meter. So 22, let's say it's 23 cubic meter is the size of the septic tank. If the holding tank is used, so capacity of holding tank is 2 days minimum you have to consider, so simply enter here 23 cubic meter into 2 days, so it will be around 46. 46 cubic meter is the holding tank capacity and the septic tank capacity is 23 cubic meter. So simply enter here the septic tank size is 23 cubic meter, size 23 cubic meter. Cubic meter. So I hope you learn how to calculate the septic tank size, how to design the septic tank size as per the IPC. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.